When it comes to TechEdology, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. This tool promises to be a game changer in the tech space, but is it really all it claims to be? Stick around as we break down the 7 crucial things you must know before buying TechEdology and why it might just be the right fit or not compared to some of its competitors. First off, the interface. A clean, easy-to-use platform is one of TechEdology's strongest points. Unlike other tech solutions like Non-Competitor 1 or Non-Competitor 2, which can feel cluttered or require a steep learning curve, TechEdology's user interface is intuitive right out of the box. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, it's built to save time with minimal training required. Next thing, the pricing model. TechEdology operates on a subscription-based pricing system, but unlike Char's Competitor 1, which can really rack up the costs as you scale, TechEdology keeps things simple and affordable. For the value you're getting, it's definitely more cost-effective in the long run, especially considering the robust features you're getting. The third thing to keep in mind is integration. TechEdology seamlessly integrates with the tools and software you're probably already using, whether it's project management tools, CRM systems, or communication platforms. This is a huge advantage over competitors that require extensive setup and come with limited integration options. It's a plug-and-play experience that really sets TechEdology apart. Now, let's talk about customer support. While a Competitor 1 might leave you waiting for hours for a reply, TechEdology takes a different approach. They offer 24/7 customer service with a real focus on personalized solutions. From my experience, getting quick and helpful responses has been a game changer. If you run into issues, TechEdology's team is there to guide you through it without a delay. The fifth thing is the features. You get a lot of power with TechEdology, especially when compared to competitors. The advanced analytics, customizable dashboards, and automation options aren't just fluff. They're highly functional and can seriously boost productivity. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, these features can be tailored to suit your specific needs. Next, let's discuss updates and reliability. With TechEdology, you're not just getting a product and hoping for the best. They release regular updates that improve performance, security, and overall functionality, unlike some other platforms that don't seem to prioritize consistent improvements. Whether it's minor tweaks or significant upgrades, TechEdology keeps evolving. The seventh and final thing to know is security. In today's world, your data has to be protected, and TechEdology doesn't skimp here. With strong encryption, secure logins, and regular audits, TechEdology ensures that your sensitive data stays safe, something you may not get as reliably with competitors. It's built with the latest security standards in mind. So, if you're ready to dive in, make sure to click the first link in the description. By doing so, you'll get the best possible offer for TechEdology, along with a completely free trial to see for yourself what the platform has to offer. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits that come with trying TechEdology today.